Not you. It's just me. I'm taking myself a video, not you. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. As today I take you to hiking here in the south of France. So come along as I walk the deep forest. I don't know how long it takes to walk. Right there you can see and you can hear the river, and that mountain right there. Okay. There are many people actually doing this. No, I don't know this. Okay now. It's so nice. It's difficult to walk here, but the trees and the nature is really nice. You just look at that. See? And those flowers. And that guy there. Oh, it's nice.
Oh, this one is even better.
Oh, it's so pretty.
So you take picture on the way back.
These are wildflowers. They just grow in the mountain. So they survive here. This is winter. I know, not winter. This is summer flowers. And you can see right there behind me. It's so pretty, guys. The landscape is so pretty. And it's this. And you just see that. It's freaking hot right now, but the wind is cold, so you can't really feel it that much. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys like the video like this, or if you think it's worth it. But I think for me it's worth it, so that's why I love my viewers and I'm sharing it with all of you. Hey, I used to see this only in the picture. Ta-da! Look at that. This is when you're married to a guy who likes to climb mountain. And he told me he's been there before. And I told him right now I'm not gonna go there. Just not. Okay. You see how pretty? And I love flowers. It's so green here. Just close up. Just in the heat of the day, I am walking in the garden. Char. Char. Wow. That's nice. I just love nature. It's amazing. It's difficult to climb. It may make you a little bit tears in your eyes, but when you're on top of the mountain, you'll see wildflowers, you'll see wild berries and everything. Okay, I have to cut my video here because there's branches laying on the ground and I don't want to hurt myself. Now you can see how I got here, going down, and these wildflowers, and now the shady part. So, tada! I'm chewing my gum right now. I have to walk very slowly because otherwise I will hurt myself, and what a way to hurt yourself. It's difficult to go down, and I don't want my husband to be punished by carrying me. So enough of the talk. I'll show you the scenery. So by the way, this is south of France. The nature is so quiet. I don't know how long before I get there. I mean, into the car. Maybe 20 more minutes walk before I arrive there. Actually, it is more difficult to go down from the mountain than coming up, because you know it's going down, and you have to be very careful, otherwise you will end up faster than you expected going down, down, down. So I take my time walking, and it's not that so hot actually because of the trees. So my husband did not hear me complain a lot this time because of it's not so difficult. Look at that. These are trees. And this one is perfect for Christmas tree. Excuse me. So if you guys want to come here, you have to have your own car and take your lunch with you. You can just take some sandwich like we did and do the hike, but you must do it in summer. Ta-da! This one. You can hear the, and you must do it in summer because it's nice. I don't know if it's still nice if you do it in autumn, but of course in autumn it will be magical because of the leaves. The leaves will turn into brown or yellow first, then brown, and it's amazing. I haven't seen that season yet, so I look forward to that. I almost had all the seasons except for autumn, and I'm so looking forward to that season. Oh, see, there are people there. They're camping with childrens. I was just amazed looking at these kids, like ages of 2 years old, maybe 3, and they're already hiking with their parents. While in the Philippines, those kind of children, like they baby them so much. So I just don't know. I don't know, but for me, I'd like to have mindset. It's very relaxing inside the forest, and plus you have the river. If you feel hot, you just go in the river, and the river is like maybe minus 10, something like that, because I did try it today. I washed my hands there just to see how cold it is, and that's why I can tell you that it is cold. So, and the wind blows cooler, so you don't really feel the heat much. And just like me, I feel dizzy or vertigo when it's too much heat. That's why I don't like it. But right now it's just fine to walk. yeah, getting back to the children, they're like 2 years old and they already with their parents hiking and all that. Well, if you see 2 years old in the Philippines, they like, no baby, no, you can't do that. Oh no, 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 don't run baby, no. It's just like that. So I made a promise to myself that if ever I have a baby, I won't I will let the baby run free. Not free that it can get hurt, but of course the baby has to learn how to how to become independent and learn from their mistakes as they grow older. And oh my gosh, I keep talking. And wait, what is this? Okay. I thought I was closer, but I made a mistake. It's still far from where we parked the car. Oh my gosh. I am beginning to be tired. My legs is tired already. Ah gosh. So here there's not much shade, so you can feel the heat in your body. And I need to drink water though. So I think I'll stop a little to have some water. Otherwise I will be dehydrated. Okay, I'll stop there where there's shade because my water is inside my bag. And yeah, so I will make a quick stop here.